It's maybe the 20 times of my life I'm coming here, and it's always improving. There is always something new.
I really love the hands-on classes we did this time. We got to practice and learn a lot about maintenance and how the balloons go together. So that was a really great part of this conference.
It was very exciting. I learned a lot, and I'm excited for everything that Kubicek has to offer.
It's always good to come back to the conference to speak to the other dealers, see how the ballooning market is happening in other countries.
Listening to the dealers' ideas on how their markets react to different sales strategies, different marketing options, different merchandise, and different needs all around the world.
It's a great opportunity to be here and share all the experience with all the colleagues around the world with the Kubicek family.
Meeting a lot of new friends, seeing a lot of old friends, getting a lot of new ideas and perspectives from different people around the whole globe.
The camaraderie and friendship is, I think, the thing that was the most important that I took away from this.
The way that they support the dealers, the way that they support their employees, people seem to be happy. I really enjoyed how everybody comes together. We're so honest at giving feedback, what we think about what we have so far right now, but also everybody's constantly thinking about creating something new, how what we have, we can make it better.
This was the best run conference we've had in Kubicek history. It was so well planned out, and the interactivity was just amazing. We got to share great times with great friends from all over the world. And yeah, we learned a lot, and we're excited for the next time we have a dealer conference.
It's time to fly!
It's time to fly.
C'est l'heure de voler!
A volar!
It's time to fly.
Coach me por la touch.
A volar!
It's time to fly.
It's time to fly, let's go fly.